Are you stuck doing the same things over and over again? Clicking the same buttons, sending the same emails, processing the same forms? Well, there's a pretty powerful solution that's changing how we all work. And today, we're going to break it all down. So, welcome. Today, we're demystifying automation. We're going to go on a little journey together, starting with the simplest, everyday tasks and working our way all the way up to these incredible, intelligent systems that can practically think for themselves. Okay, so to kick things off, we need to get on the same page. What do we really mean when we say automation? Let's dive into the core idea. At its heart, it's actually pretty simple. Automation is all about using technology to get stuff done with as little human effort as possible. That key phrase right there, minimal human input, that's the whole ballgame. It's about letting technology handle the grunt work so we can focus on what matters. So why is this such a huge deal, especially for businesses? Well, the advantages are just massive. We're talking about boosting productivity, slashing costly mistakes, and making operations run super efficiently. This isn't just some nice-to-have feature, it's a fundamental piece of how modern companies innovate and grow. But here's the thing, not all automation is created equal. I want you to think of it like a ladder, where each rung represents a more powerful and capable level. Let's start at the bottom and climb our way up. Down at the bottom, on the first rung, you've got basic automation. This handles simple, repetitive tasks, like automatically sending an invoice the second a sale is made. Then you take a step up to process automation. This manages entire workflows, like onboarding a new employee across HR, IT, and finance. And then at the very top, you have intelligent automation, which uses AI to make complex decisions, like optimizing an entire supply chain in real time. And this really drives home the power of that top level. See, it's not just one technology. It's this potent combination of AI, BPM, that's business process management, and RPA, or robotic process automation. Think of those as software bots that can perform tasks. It's this mix that allows a whole company to make smarter, faster decisions at scale. Okay, so that's the theory. But where does this stuff actually show up in the real world? Let's take a look at where it all comes to life. Honestly, you'll find automation in pretty much every department. In business automation, it's streamlining things like managing website content or automatically processing thousands of invoices. Meanwhile, over in the IT world, it's absolutely crucial for deploying new software quickly, managing complex cloud infrastructure, and even predicting network failures before they can cause a huge outage. Now, this whole field is packed with buzzwords, but don't worry about it. We're going to do a little rapid-fire vocabulary round to get you up to speed on the key terms you really need to know. First up, the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI. The easiest way to think about this is as the brain power behind the whole operation. It's a technology that lets machines mimic human intelligence and figure out complex problems all on their own. But you might be wondering, how does an AI get so smart? Well, that's where machine learning, or ML, comes in. It's a part of AI that's all about learning from data. The more information a system crunches, the more accurate it gets. It literally improves over time, just like we do. Now, what's really cool is seeing how this gets applied in the real world. AI Ops is a perfect example. It uses AI specifically to watch over complex IT systems, spot potential trouble, and fix it automatically. This is the kind of thing that prevents a giant e-commerce site from crashing during a Black Friday sale, saving who knows how much money. And maybe the best part of all this, you don't have to be a coding genius to build these automations anymore. Low-code and no-code platforms use these visual drag-and-drop tools that empower pretty much anyone to create powerful workflows. It's basically democratizing automation, taking it out of the hands of just developers and giving that power to everyone. So let's zoom out and put this all together. What does all this actually mean for the future of work? And, for all of us. Here's the main takeaway. The thing to remember. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about enhancing what we can do. It takes care of the repetitive, boring stuff, which frees us up to focus on the creative, the strategic, the more meaningful work that humans are best at. It's a tool for innovation, plain and simple. So the real challenge is to start thinking about how this applies to you, whether it's in your job or just something in your daily life. I guarantee there are tedious tasks just waiting to be automated. So the only question left is, what are you going to automate next?